Just arrived from INTERLAKEN and it's so pretty and cute. Hello. Hey. So I'm gonna walk to Giesbach. And it's 1.5 Stunde, so 1.5 hour. Oh my god, this is fantastic! Super mooi! I can't describe how beautiful it is. I don't know if you can see it, like... I don't know, it's so beautiful! I chose to walk the Panorama Weg, so Panorama Road, to Giesbach. And it's great because it's partly in the shade. As it is like 30+ degrees here, it's perfect. I'm gonna show you the best of INTERLAKEN these days. Oh, and I wish you could smell what I'm smelling right now. Fresh nature. So good. Oh, let's do it. So it's very much up. Holy moly. What is it? So I'm back on the normal road again. Still hiking up to Giesbach. Look at this. It's fantastic. So I'm walking down to the lake because I'm sweating crazy. So I just had a swim and a lunch and now I'm gonna take the boat back. Good morning!
Good morning!
Today I'm with Lily from Balmers Hostels and she's gonna take me on a hike. So we're gonna go all the way up there. 1 hour and 45 minutes up. Let's do this.
Go for it, you can do it! Woohoo!
You hear a snake? I would love to see a snake. Where is it? Water? There's the... We're getting there?
Yay!
Let's do this! Yodela! Yodela, yodela, yodela. to hike back downtown.
Yes. Yoo-hoo!
We are in Lutherbrunnen, and this valley is very known for the waterfalls.
Beautiful waterfall everywhere.
And beautiful cows as well. And flowers as well. Was super fun. I advise everyone to do it.
It was a super nice day and now we're super tired.
We have enough.
We need enough.
We need a beer.
We need a beer. And then we
Go
for
to
a
the
beer.
Balmers beer garden. Yeah, good idea. So guys, it's time to leave Interlaken. I had an amazing time. Interlaken is very, very good for hiking and adventurous sports like paragliding, kayaking, a lot more. You can also cool down, swim in the lake. It's awesome. Stand-up paddling. Well, a lot to do.